welcome everyone. We are at IMTEX 2023 and we are having with us Mr. Prashant and Mr. Mahesh from E-Power. They are the manufacturers of stabilizers and their stabilizers are being used by so many companies who have participated at this show. So let's hear from Mr. Prashant what they are having to share with us.
Actually, before going to our products, we thank all the IMTEX exhibitors, and this was a beautiful festival for us for exhibiting our latest products with all the exhibitors. We thought all our OEMs, especially Ash, Hardings, Sugami, Protec, Warner, then Ethereal, then Jagdeep, then Lokesh Machines. We thank all the people who have supported us to exhibit their machines, and there was a wonderful response from the IMTEX exhibitors that our machines are very good, and they gave a positive report on this. We are very thankful to meet everyone at this point of view.
That's amazing, sir. So what would you like to add to it, please?
Actually, we just introduce ourselves in the market with lack of experience and the technology-oriented product. That is the reason we are not able to reach in very small particular time to the market. So, as Prashant informed, that we just participated. So, we have just got very good response, and that further things we can, I think we can have a very good business in the market.
So talking about E-Power, we have heard that you have launched a new technology, right, sir?
Yeah.
So could you just elaborate on the technical part of your new technology?
Yeah, actually, as you mentioned, because we have just come up with a new technology, since it is very much required in the market today to challenge in the machinery segment, because that as the machines require so much of accuracy and other things, it has to maintain the very good power stabilization in the market. So we just introduce our just static stabilizer and online UPS, and we are just coming up with the solar technology.
That's amazing.
So we are into power factor corrector in the market, and we are into static technology.
Amazing, sir. We congratulate you on your new launches and your new technology. Hope it helps everyone in the industry. Thank you so much, everyone.